Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. Myself Vijay Mehta. Today I will give you brief idea about kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? In my previous lecture we were discuss about various forms of energy, what is temperature, what is first law of thermodynamics and its limitation. So today we will discuss about what is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy means it is the energy due to the virtue of its motion, and its equation is 1/2 mv square. M means mass and v means velocity. For example, we are considering the example of kinetic energy in our day-to-day life. The first example we are considering the bullet approaching a target. Okay, it is the example of kinetic energy. So here you can see that the bullet approaching a target. Okay, so right now the bullet is coming out from the gun. Okay, it is in motion. Okay, so it is the example of kinetic energy. Here m is the mass and the velocity of the bullet is v. So 1/2 mv square. Okay, it is the example of kinetic energy. The second example we are considering, the car is in motion. Okay, third example we are considering rotation of the turbine. So dear friends, I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical content of physics and thermodynamics, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.